These are the second generation AirPods Pro, released on September 23rd, 2022, over 3 years after the first generation AirPods Pro came out. In the box we have the standard booklet, the earbuds themselves, extra ear tips including a new extra small size, and a USB-C to Lightning charging cable. In terms of changes from the previous version, these have slightly improved battery life at 6 hours per charge, volume adjustability on the earbuds, better noise cancellation and sound quality, and an improved H2 chip. As you can see, the design of the earbuds is actually unchanged and they didn't go with a different aesthetic. The case itself also brings about changes, with it now having a little mini speaker for audio cues and a lanyard loop to attach to things on the side. Setting up the AirPods Pro 2 is the same as it is for all other AirPods, with the connection prompt automatically popping up when you first open the case next to your iPhone. Touch controls on the earbuds are the same as last generation, as you see here on the screen. And Siri obviously integrates very smoothly with everything that has to do with these earbuds and the iPhone. These earbuds use Apple's personalized spatial audio, which analyzes your ear shape to tailor the sound to your preference. Although I generally stuck with the sound profile that came out of the box. In terms of fit, these are the exact same as the previous AirPods Pro. If those fit you well, then you will have no issue with these. Personally, they just don't truly work for me. After about 30 to 45 minutes, the plastic on the earbud starts to irritate a certain part of my ear and makes it uncomfortable. But I will say that they are super lightweight and they really blend into your ear. I even took these on some runs and they stayed very secure, so they will be useful for working out for sure. I did have one gripe with the touch controls, as when I went to pause or skip a song or change the noise cancellation to transparency mode and vice versa, I found myself changing the volume by accident. It's definitely a little finicky and a little bit too responsive. Maybe not a huge deal to most people since you could just control the volume from your phone or Apple Watch, but it may prove a little bit of a nuisance to some people who like having the volume buttons on their earbuds. Let's talk noise canceling. Apple claims these cancel out 2 times more noise than the first generation. Yeah, I'm not buying that. These do a fantastic job blocking out lower end noises, but higher pitched noises still creep through pretty frequently. Compared to my Bose Quiet Comfort earbuds that I've used for a year, those do a slightly better job overall of noise canceling in my opinion. These certainly are no slouch, but I wouldn't say they're the best in the business. What is amazing on these is the transparency mode. That is truly the best in the business. It is so clear and feels so realistic, and it doesn't give you any of that robotic or tinny type of noise that you get from other transparency modes on other earbuds. I also would have liked the ability to change the level of noise canceling that you get. It only gives you one option, and pretty much every other competitor out there with noise canceling gives you the option to choose how much noise canceling you actually want. So it's definitely something that Apple could have done, and I'm a little upset that they didn't do so. Moving on to sound quality, I was actually extremely pleased with these. The original AirPods Pro sounded perfectly fine, but Apple focused on the bass with the AirPods Pro 2, and they sound so much more punchy and full-bodied in the low end. I still feel like they're missing a smidge of detail compared to my Bose earbuds, but they will definitely get the job done for most people. I'm generally very picky with sound quality, but I legitimately don't have any issues with these at all. Most of the time when companies come out and say that they improve the sound quality on their new earbuds, I'm just not buying it, and most of the time it's not totally true. But I can certainly say that Apple really did a much better job with the sound quality on their AirPods Pro 2 compared to their previous AirPods Pro and even the normal AirPods. I played around with the spatial audio a little bit, but it just really wasn't for me, and I stuck to the default sound profile out of the box. For certain songs, the spatial audio really opens up the soundstage and you can hear pretty clear separation within the instruments. But sometimes the treble gets super harsh and a little all over the place and mixes with the bass as well. So it really wasn't my preferred way of listening. I'm kind of falling in love with the AirPods Pro 2. They have everything an Apple user could possibly ask for. The convenience it allows you within the Apple ecosystem and intuitiveness with controls. Plus, it has the sound quality and noise canceling as huge bonuses.